guys, so welcome ulit sa ating YouTube channel. Ito na yung lesson 35 sa ating college algebra. Ito na yung partial fraction case number 2. So, ano sabi ni case number 2? Case number 2 is when the denominator contains repeated linear factors. So, ano yung case number 1? Remember that case number 1 is when the factors of the denominator are linear with no factors or with no factor repeated. So, dito naman, linear factor pa din siya, pero nagkataon na may repeated na may repeated. So, ano ibig sabihin repeated? May exponent, pinari. X minus 1 raised sa 3. So, ibig sabihin tatlong beses nag-exist yung X minus 1 doon. So, anong gagawin natin pag ganyan? Okay, so, dito, ang gagawin natin, so, for example ko lang For example, meron tayong, nari 1 over X minus 1 tapos X squared. So, ano mangyari dyan? That is simply A over X minus 1 plus B over X plus C over X squared. So, napansin mo, kasi dalawang beses siya na ulit. So, una sa X, tapos pangalawa sa X squared. So, paano pag X cubed? X squared, tapos plus X squared. X cubed pa. Okay, next. Another example. Bigay ni sir. Kunyari, 2X plus 1 over X minus 1 ulit raised sa 2 X plus 2 raised sa 3. So, ano mayroon dito? This is A over X minus 1 plus B over X minus 1 squared plus C over X plus 2 plus D over X plus 2 squared plus E over X plus 2 cube. So, ganun siya kahaba naman. So, imagine mo ganyan kahaba yung gagawin natin dito. Okay, so, I think pwede natin mag-proceed dyan kasi same naman pa rin ang process dito. So, sabi ko nga, applicable pa rin naman si case number si technique number 1 sa si technique number 2 dito. So, hindi ako ganun ka-sure pero alam ko talaga applicable ba dito. So, sa pagkakaalala ni sir. Okay, so let's start. So, resolve 4x minus 5 over 2x minus 1 squared into partial fractions or fractions. Okay, so, ganyan nga. So, itong katulad ng ginagawa ni sir. So, rewrite natin siya as ganito. Since repeated, linear siya, 2x minus 1 is linear, tapos repeated kasi dalawang beses. So, this is just equal sa 4x minus 5 over 2x minus 1 square equal to sa A over 2x. So, nagsulolo ko yung ballpen. So, this is 2x minus 1 plus B over 2x minus 1 squared. Okay, then assume na minultiply natin siya sa denominator which is 2x minus 1 squared. So, dito cancel na lang. So, this is just 4x minus 5 equal sa, mga cancel yung isa, sa may matira pa na A is equal sa 2x minus 1. Dito is plus B na lang din kasi cancel na lang din siya as if. Okay, then syempre anong pwede natin gamitin dito? I think apply ko yung technique number 1 sa technique number 2. So, kasi maigli lang naman. So, technique number 1 muna tayo. Technique number 1. So, again, case 2 to, no? Sorry, case 2. So, technique number 1. Check natin kung gagana. So, again, kasi hindi ako masyadong sure kung applicable sa technique number 1. So, isa lang naman yung merong factor. So, 2x minus 1 lang. So, ang gagawin ko, kung si 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, therefore, x is equal to 1 half. Okay, then substitute natin dun. This is 4 times 1 half minus 5 is equal to A times 0 plus B. So, obviously, this is 2 minus 5 which is negative 3, which is A times 0 is 0. Therefore, B is equal to negative 3. Okay, next. Kung napansin mo, walang equation or walang linear equation sa loob ng B. So, pag ganyan nangyari, ang gagawin na natin, isa-substitute na lang natin as if si B dito. Okay, para masolve natin yung value ng A. I think. Pero wala din mangyayari, no? So ang mangyayari is yun din, sige, try natin. Ang mangyayari, substitute ko yung b doon. So this is just 4x minus 5 is equal to a times 2x minus 1 minus 3. Okay, so pag tinranspose, this is 4x minus 2 na lang, which is equal sa a times 2x minus 1. So I think hindi applicable sa technique number 1. Bakit, sir? Kasi hindi natin basta-basta masasolve si I think yes, pwede, no? Kasi 4x minus 2 pwede, no? So this is 2 times 2x minus 1, which is equal sa a times 2x minus 1. Okay na. So if 2x minus 1 is not equal to 0, pwede natin divide. Okay, so therefore this is just 2 is equal to a. Okay, if lang, if 2x minus 1 is not equal to 0. So kung di siya mag-equal sa 0, yun a natin is equal to 2. So nahanap natin na value na a is 2, nahanap natin na value na b is negative 3. Kasi nga applicable na factor pa ni sir, nagawan pa ng paraan. So i-check natin, hindi ko muna ipa-finalize yung answer. So check natin siya by technique number 2. So ako kasi mas sigurado ako lagi gamitin sa technique number 2. Kasi technique number 2, kuha na agad yung sagot. So technique number 2, dito pa rin ako magpo-proceed. Okay, so technique number 2 by coefficient method. So kung this is 4x minus 5 is equal to 2ax minus a plus b. So dalawa lang yung ating isosolve dyan. Coefficient ng x as coefficient ng constant kasi wala namang x squared dyan. Okay, so coefficient of x. So this is x, coefficient niya is 4, then sa kabila is 2a. Ayun lang. So yun na kasi may variable x eh. Ay may tamang variable x. Next is a constant. This is negative 5 sa left side. Sa kabila is negative a plus b. Okay, so solve natin simultaneously. So note that from 4 is equal to 2a. So we have 4 is equal to 2a. Obviously that a is equal to 4 divided by 2, that is 2. Tama. Then substitute natin yung 2 na yan dito sa equation 2, which is negative 5 is equal to negative a plus b. So negative 5 is equal to negative a plus b. Negative a plus b. So this is negative 5 is equal to negative 2 plus b, which means that negative 3 is equal to b. So tama yung nahanap natin. So kung napansin mo, parehas ng lumabas ng sagot sa technique number 1 and technique number 2. So therefore, what is the answer? Therefore, ang answer natin is a is 2 over 2x minus 1. Then b is negative, so negative 3 over 2x minus 1 squared. So ito yung kanyang decomposed partial fraction. O kanyang partial fraction, sorry. Okay, so ito nga ang lagi ko suggestion. Kung di mo siya makuha by technique number 1, technique number 2 na lang, mas mapapadali tayo. Okay guys, so for number 2, resolve 5x squared minus 4x minus 5 over x minus 1 squared, then 3x minus 5. So nang sabi ko, check nyo kung siya ba ay fraction na kung saan mas mataas yung degree ng denominator. Tama. So napansin mo, yung x minus 1 square, magiging x squared yan. Okay, no matter what, pag in-expand mo yan, that is x squared times 3x, magiging 3x cubed. So kung napansin mo, yung degree ng 5x squared sa 3x cubed is mas mababa. Degree 2 to, then degree 3 yung denominator. So therefore, pwede natin apply. Next, nakapactor na siya para sa atin. So since nakapactor na siya, napansin nyo na linear. Yung x minus 1 is linear, 3x minus 5 is linear, pero yung x minus 1 is repeated. Bakit? May square. So meaning, ito ay automatic case number 2. So for case number 2, rewrite lang sir, this is 5x squared minus 4x minus 5 over x minus 1 square, then 3x minus 5. Okay, this is equal sa a over x minus 1 plus b over x minus 1 square plus this is c over 3x minus 5. Okay, so ang gagawin ko is technique number 1 na lang, I think. So, try natin technique number 1 kung gagana pa rin dito eh. So, again hindi ko sinasabing laging gagana dito sa case number 2. Pero, ayun nga, nag-solve natin kanina eh. Kasi linear pa rin naman. So, by the way, solve muna natin siya or simplify muna na. So, assume na multiply natin siya sa x minus 1 square then 3x minus 5. So, matitira, this is 5x squared minus 4x minus 5 equal sa x minus 1 to. So, may matitirang x minus 1 saka 3x plus 3x minus 5. So, meron ako x times x minus 1 times 3x minus 5. Next, plus b. X minus 1 square yan. Cancel lang yun. So, may 3x minus 5 na lang. So, this is b. Then, 3x minus 5. Then, plus c. So, cancel 3x minus 5. So, matitira dito is x minus 1 square. So, I think mas okay dito si technique number, kasi dalawa pagpipila natin eh, si x minus 1 sa 3x minus 5. I-equate natin si x minus 1 sa 0, equate natin si 3x minus 5 sa 0. So, pag in-equate natin si x minus 1 sa 0, 0 to, mahanap yung value ng b. Pag in-equate natin yung 3x minus 5 sa 0, 0 to, mahanap natin yung value ng c. So, meaning, hindi natin kayang hanapin yung value is si a. So, check natin kung gagana sa technique number 1. So, technique number 1. Okay, so for technique number 1, if or kung sa x minus 1 is equal to 0, therefore, x is equal to 1. Okay, so meaning, yung 5x squared, magiging 5 times 1 square minus 4 times 1 minus 5 is equal to a multiplied by 0 na lang to. So, dito is 3 times 1 minus 5. Tama. Then, plus b times 3 times 1 minus 5. Then, plus c. Yung x minus 1, this is 0 square. So, napansin mo, 0 to. Kahit anong gawin natin dito, 0 pa rin to. So, this is just 5 times 1 is 5 minus 4, that's 1. 1 minus 5 is negative 4. So, this is negative 4 equals sa 3 times 1 is 3 minus 2, minus 5, negative 2. So, this is negative 2b. So, wala na to. 0 na rin kasi yan. Okay, so therefore, what is b? B dito is just positive 2. Okay. Next is, if 3x minus 5 is equal to 0, therefore, x is equal to 5 over 3. So, ito nga medyo fraction siya. So, anong gagawin? Substitute ulit dito. So, this is 5 multiplied by 5 over 3 square minus 4 times 5 over 3 minus 5, which is equal sa a times 5 over 3 minus 1 times 0. Okay, then this is b times 0. This is plus b times 0. Then plus c times 5 over 3 minus 1 raised to 2. Okay, so I think dalawang value yung lalabas dito. Sorry, isa lang kasi mas 0 to. Okay, so this is 5 squared times 3. 5 times 5 over 3 square. Okay, that's 125 over 9. This is 125 over 9 minus 20 over 3 minus 5. Then 0 to. Then ito ay 5 over 3 minus 1. That is 2 over 3. 2 over 3 squared. So that is 4 over 9. So this is equal lang sa c times 4 over 9. So, simplify natin yung left side. That is 125 over 9 minus 20 over 3 minus 5. That is 20 over 9. Okay, so this is 20 over 9 is equal to 4 over 9c. So, obviously, 20 over 9 divided by 4 over 9, that is 5 is equal to c. So, may nahanap tayong value ng 8. Okay, so kung napansin mo, may tinakpan ako. So, may dinilit ako na part ng video na kung saan nagkamali ako sa solution, to be honest. Hindi ko rin napansin talaga na ganun dapat ang gagawin. So, ito nangyari kasi is, bilobas na value, sinulve ko by technique number 2, nagkamali na ako na nagkamali. Okay, so, ito, ginawa ko, technique number 1 pa rin naman tayo. So, note that nasolve natin ang value ng B and C is 2 and 5 respectively. Okay, so anong gagawin natin afterwards dyan? So, since technique number 1 tayo, dadaan pa rin tayo dito by technique number 2. So, ang ginagawa ko usually is dapat substitute ko yung B kasi doon. Tapos, solve natin yung value ng A. Tama. Ngayon, anong nangyari nun? Ginawa kasi ni Sir yun. So, ginawa ni Sir yun, ayan lumabas. Okay, so sinubstitute ko yung B na 2, C is 5. Tapos sinolve ko, sinimplify ko, ang nangyari ganyan. So, ayan yung natira, ito yung natira. Okay, so since yan yung natira, after that, yung natira yan, ginawa ko is, sinimplify ko, then minultiply ko. So, in-assume na lang ni Sir, yung coefficient ng 5A is equal to negative 10 kasi constant siya. Constant din to dito. Then, ginawa ko, therefore, A is equal to negative 2, which is mali. Hindi ganun yung gagawin natin. So, note, mali yung gantong way na gagawin natin. So, pag ganito tayo, puproceed pa rin tayo sa coefficient method. So, Sir, paano coefficient method yung gagawin natin dyan? Ang gagawin natin by coefficient method is just, kukunin natin, diba, ito ax minus 1 and 3x minus 5. So, note that kunin natin yung constant part dyan. So, yung constant natin dito is negative 5. Tama. So, ang constant part, so simplify ko lang this is 5x squared minus 4x minus 5 is equal to 8 times 3x squared minus 8x plus 5 plus 3bx minus 5b plus cx squared minus 2cx plus c. Kasi x squared minus 2x plus 1 yun. Tama? Para dito sa dulo. Next, multiply natin yan. This is just 3ax squared minus 8ax plus 5a plus 3bx minus 5b plus cx squared minus 2cx plus c. So, kunin natin yung constant part. So, yung constant dito by coefficient method. So, yung constant part. So, napansin mo combination siya. So, ito ay negative 5 equal to sa 5a minus 5b plus c. So, note, nasolve natin yung b and c. Okay, b is 2, 5 is c. C is 5. Okay, so this is negative 5 is equal to 5a times 5 times 2. Tama, then c is 10, c is 5. So, this is plus 5. Note that is negative 10 plus 5 is negative 5. So, ang nangyari, negative 5 is equal to 5a minus 5. So, obviously, this is 0 is equal to 5a. So, what is a? A is equal to 0. Okay, so therefore, what is ano yung kanyang partial fraction? Ang kanyang partial fraction, 0 to. So, 0 daw si a. So, mawawala to. So, this is just 0 over x minus 1 or disregarded mo na yan. Plus, b is 2 over x minus 1 square plus c over c is 5. This is 5 over 3x minus 5. So, disregard mo to, okay lang. So, ito na yung babox ko. So, therefore, ito kanyang reduce partial fraction. So, sir, possible yun. Yes, possible na may mag-0 dun. Okay, pero syempre, imposible naman na isa lang matirang fraction. So, nga rin, nag-0 din isa. Imposible na yun na, hindi na equivalent yun dun. Okay, so, ayun yung technique number 1. Ganun na, pag meron isang case na kung saan may matitira talagang variable, using coefficient method na. So, using coefficient method, i-substitute mo lang yung nahanap na dalawang value, tapos masasolve mo na siya. So, I think doon tayo mas mapapadali. Okay, so, I think, hindi ko na siya try sa by technique number 2. So, kayo na lang mag-try by technique number 2 neto. So, ang goal nyo, hanapin nyo na ba sa value A is 0, value na B is 2, and value na C is 5. So, hoping na get yung idea dito. So, again, technique number 2 is mas dapat natin gamitin dito. So, pinakita ko lang yung technique number 1 kasi nga, kanina nga may nangyari kasi. So, nag-solve ako. Ayan, nag-technique number 2 ako. So, hindi ko napapakita yung technique number 2 na yan kasi medyo may maling error din ako dyan. May maling error. So, parang may error talaga ako dyan, to be honest. Pero, hindi ko naman sinasabing ano. Ang nangyari lang is, napahaba na yung solution in which na nahaba na yung ating gagawin. Okay, so that's all and thank you for watching. Hoping na panoorin mo yung case number 3 and case number 4 ng ating partial fraction.